Hey guys, what's up? Jason here. Today is Sunday, January 13th, 2019. Alright guys, this is going to be a big damage video, update video of the Snowstorm. You can see there's our table. There's some of the snow's kind of blown off the trees from yesterday. Had a little wind, but not much. You can still see I'm pretty coated. Got some little ice on now. But this is going to mainly be a damage video, so I'm going to quickly just kind of pan around, show you guys. We got some limbs out there in the middle of our yard that we've thrown there. Those are the neighbor's limbs. We just took them. Can't even tell we have a fire pit. Our fire pit is totally covered. You can see the huge piles where I've shoveled. Ridiculous. Not sure if you can see it, but right in here, there's a limb hanging on our fence next to our garage there. Can't see the screen real well, guys, so sorry if I'm not really getting this that good. But, yeah, I shoveled a little bit, and I said, fuck, I ain't shoveling the rest of this. So I just made a path down there and over to my mom's bird feeder. So, okay. We come around here. My mom beat all the snow off this dogwood tree yesterday. Made the branches kind of go back up. It's still low, though. Comb your hair as you walk under them. Get some cold ice and shit down your neck. But yeah guys, that's basically what's going on up here. So let's go down, and I'm gonna walk through, I guess, the area where I haven't really shoveled too much. There's a little bit of snow piles here, so if I fall and bust my ass, y'all will know. Oh, okay. So we're facing this way. You can see this guy's yard over here. He has an elm tree in his yard that was trimmed back years ago, and every limb is off of it. Not sure how much you can see, but he's got his yard's trashed. Yeah, that yard's trashed. Anybody up for a game of basketball, hey? Yeah, not today. I'm good. So let's go down here. Oh shit, we got a limb right here. Look at this. A little limb. I guess I'll show you all the fire pit, what it looks like, just for the hell of it. But, yeah, ridiculous. Can't even really see it, to tell you the truth. But yeah, there's our pile. That was a little limb in the yard. Anywho, back to what the hell I was doing. Okay. We did lose a limb, guys. Our tree did lose a limb after all. They lose a limb after every storm, and then this one, they lose that. Front tree didn't lose a single thing. This redbud tree, that was already a one-sided tree. It broke, and I can't really see the screen now because I'm surrounded by an all-white background. So I'm gonna pan around here. Hopefully I got it. I think that's it right there, isn't it? You can see that one limb on the other side of that tree broke off. Kind of comical. But yeah, that was an official one-sided tree. And let's go back here to where the main shit happened, guys. Spot number one. Not really gonna sure if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but just a look at this. This kind of looks cool with the snow on the ground at the bottom. This is where I stand to film storms to my south and east if it's not raining back here. You can see the tree line. We have a redbud tree broken back in here someplace where we've got the camera pointing. And just some low gray clouds, man. It really looks weird. Thank you guys. I'm gonna show you our shed here. This is this whole elm tree. I'll show you guys the tree in a second. I'm just talking right now. This whole elm tree basically, it's got the hell beat out of it, and every limb from it landed on our side. You can see this huge limb crushed our fence and is all up on our shed. I'm trying to film this good. I did this video once before, and it looked like I didn't know what I was doing because the camera is just so shaky and shit, but just a huge limb up there, man. Yeah, it did a number on our shed. That is the tree right here. This tree officially got beat to hell, man. There's also, I'm not sure if you've seen it when I was up by the house, there's a limb on the side of this fence over here, but up kind of on the side of our garage. So I'm gonna go up here now and show you the limb that fell last night. I was staying out here on the porch, about 6 something. It was dark, of course, and I heard a big crash. And this limb, yeah, you can see this big limb. You can see it right, where the hell is it? Right there. It's a big ass thing, dude. That's ridiculous. You can see, I'm trying to find it, guys. Yeah, right here. You can see it goes down, and then the roof of our shed's right here. So that's crazy. But anywho, you can see more limbs on the ground over there. It's so hard to see what I'm filming, guys. I do apologize if I'm not. Here is the tree, and then up this fence. I'm trying to get over here. Up this fence. Oh my gosh. Cannot walk no further. There's a limb over there too. Not really sure if you can see. I'm leaning over. Yeah, maybe. But anyway, I was standing out here last night, guys, and I was shoveling. We were shoveling the front driveway, and that fell. The big one on our shed. But now, I'm not really sure if you guys can see it, but right here where my boot is. I'll find my boot. It's so bright. Okay, you see this big old log contraction in the contrast to my shoe? Yeah, that bitch fell, and it goes on up, and it is on our boat. That's what I said. This really got beat to hell back here. This tree was a piece of shit. It's I don't know. It's just, their elms are just so flimsy. Wishy-washy trees, man. But yeah, you can see it's on our boat and stuff. That big log on the boat, that's a cedar log. That's there for a reason. But this big ass limb is totally not there. I don't even know if I can move it. Let's see. Yeah, no. That is a huge log, and it goes all the way back. It looks like it probably hit the side of our shed on the way down, because the bottom of it is all right in here, and you can see right there's our shed. So yeah, because I did hear it hit metal, and it definitely hit the shed on the way down. So you can see the amount of snow up there. Good reference. But yeah, guys, that's basically what happened back here. There's just another huge limb right here. Actually, that's probably, yeah, it's just ridiculous. So yeah, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. That's the huge limb like I showed you before. It's leaning on our shed. And yeah, it's just chilling out there. And to tell you the truth, I don't really feel too safe being under this tree right now. But I am. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I'm going in. I don't know if you guys can see really around the corner of our shed, but it's just limbs, man. They got a lot on their side too. But yeah, guys, that's basically the gist of it, man. Shit, I gotta step back over this log. Yeah, guys, that's about it. Hope y'all enjoyed, and hopefully this video came out alright. I do apologize for the shakiness and such. Alright, guys, peace out, and I'll give you one more look. Here's the roof of the garage. That's there's a little tiny piece of that limb from the fence up here where I showed way earlier on the roof of our garage. But yeah, guys, that's about it. I'm going in. One more look of their trash yard over there. I don't know how much you can see of it. Alright, guys. Peace out. Oh, and by the way, we don't have school tomorrow. They called. I guess there's just a lot of power outages and stuff. So, hot damn, we did get a snow day out of a blizzard that happened on a Friday. I'll take it. So, free three-day weekend. Alright, guys. Peace out. And I'll talk to y'all soon. Just kind of panning around here. That's our house. You can pause the video if you want. Look at anything. Alright, guys. And one more look at the shed and all this mess. Okay. Peace out, guys. I'll talk to y'all soon. See ya.